How's it going, everyone? My name is Scooter Oyster. Welcome back to another episode of Lollipop Chainsaw, the Remastered. Well, last video we just ended. We killed off on one of the other major powers, one of the other overlords on the second stage off the stadium. Sorry. Now we are heading over to the O'Brien farm, or abandoned farm. Now I'm not too certain how this would go, but it's a good thing that we got a chance to do, at least we got a chance to unlock homing, and hopefully that, it give us new level ups for that we can level up power and homing. Now, the one thing I do see here, if you go to Juliet's house, and we go down to the leaderboards, it shows you the time to clear story. And our closest time on the fourth level, fourth place is that we're at 29:48. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. My bad, did not want you guys hear me sneeze. Worldwide. Okay. Friend leaderboard, worldwide leaders. Okay, apparently that has sorry. Well, either way, so we are going to continue on the next stage. Stage 3, obviously. Now, I wonder if we do have to go back on the previous stages, like grind off of, I'm trying to get all of our stuff. That is a zombie cow.
It's some sort of farm. I bet any minute another one of those stupid dark purveyors is gonna show up,
and
totally bumming our world.
Costume, by the way.
Don't you think, Nick? 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 Where are you?
Right here, Juliet.
What happened? I saved you!
I was feeling so ineffective, just being ahead and all. I thought it would be better to just go for the gusto. You know, get undead, the whole deal.
No! How can this be happening? Oh no! No! Watch out! Watch out! I can't stop it! Rosalind!
Who?
My little sister!
Let me guess. She's also a freaking zombie hunter?
Hey, Juliet! I came to save you! Something's wrong with this bus! Oh, it's really irritating! Is that a new purse? Wait, it's your boyfriend! He's a decapitated head? Fuck me! That's the coolest thing ever! Ah! I almost hit a bird! Look out!
Hi, Rosalind!
Shit! Sorry, it's not my fault! This bus is fucked up! Rosalind, this is Nick! Wow, it's cool! What does the bottom of it look like? Can you see the spine sticking out? Yuck! Awesome! It makes me throw up!
Yeah! Nice meeting you, too!
Ah! It talks! Ah! It scares me! And I love it!
Your family's kind of, energetic, huh?
Do you smell that? Ugh. Something fishy is going on.
No way. This is all totally normal.
Ah! The brakes aren't working! No! Ah! Ah! Hey guys, don't worry! I'm cool! I've got it all under control! Shit! Oh, fuckballs! I almost forgot! Happy birthday, Juliet!
I questioned
This doesn't
everything
seem
about
right.
this family.
I guess we should follow that bus, huh?
Wow, Rosalind must have seen this on my Amazon wish list. Nick Popper!
Amazon
I can
list.
shoot your head with this.
What?
There's Amazon in
Wow,
this world?
this is the
Okay.
old abandoned farm. A little run down.
I love the way Crunch...
Whoa, old McDonald has a farm. EI, we're gonna die.
Plant them crops. Cut the grass. It needs water.
Interesting.
And it's infested with zombies.
Now
I don't
it's
have fun
mine.
with these bullets.
I'm glad I just so happened to wear my zombie fighting underwear today.
What?
Sensei Morikawa said wearing cotton underwear with little teddy bears or hearts is best for doing battle. He'd make me wear them to every class.
I'm so creeped out right now.
Blaster. Chainsaw blaster. Chainsaw blaster.
I'm definitely taking advantage of this here.
Shit, Muffins! I can't get it to stop! Ah! They're attacking Rosalind's bus!
I can't tell if she's...
These zombies are so ugly, I'm gagging! For real!
I can't tell if
Wait,
she has,
wait!
like...
No! Ah! Why? This is awful, but hilarious! Oh no! I hope Rosalind's all right.
We better go help her, Juliet.
I'm loving it!
I killed 3? Okay.
This place is freaking me out. My not heart is beating 1,000,000 miles an hour.
Cool, a headless body.
Hey, stick me on that sucker.
Hold on, before we do anything, what's this? Okay.
I always appreciated your rock hard butt, Juliet, but it's kind of hurting the back of my skull.
Shut up, Nick. I know you're just being ironic because of my ginormous ass. Ugh.
I don't see anything
Awesome.
wrong with her ass, honestly.
This is the most disgusting farm ever.
Does he ever, like...
Wow.
Like, I understand it sucks that he's a headless guy, but he's like such a downer, dude.
6, 7, 8, 9,
Yeah.
10, 10.
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo!
Yes! You ready?
Nick?
And up you go, babe.
Hey, quit cupping a feel with your disgusto zombie hands. I don't want a finger falling off in my butt.
What's wrong with that? you're getting turned on by Nick's decapitated head, but
What's
what's...
the cows up to? How's the horses?
Very interesting.
Another lame-o bomber zombie.
Yeah, okay. That one is. Ooh, some more. Oh, come on. What in the hell is that?
I got hemorrhoids.
Oh, you're the
got
fattest
what?
zombie I've ever seen. Oh, wait, sorry.
Ow.
I didn't mean to be insensitive. Die!
Hey, that dude seems a little too intimate with those chickens, if you know what I mean.
You mean he has sex with them? Vomit!
Okay, I did not really need to know that, but alright.
Heat it up. Now it's mine.
Yes!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9, 10.
Yo, got this. Ah.
Okay. Where? Shoot
Everything
what?
up until now was kind of fun, but this is seriously creeping me out. The memories of this place are gonna ruin the smell of cow shit for me forever.
Okay, that was interesting that the homing button went down.
What's this then?
What did it say? Head chainsaw.
Pretty cool. What does goo goo gajoob mean?
I think it means like, hey, what's up? Oh, man.
Your goal.
Oh shit.
Blaster.
Wow, I really hope your sister isn't dead.
Why are you saying that, Nick?
Sorry.
Hello?
Wait, is he hoping that she isn't or is? Because there's a difference.
Where's the chicken?
Where are these zombies? Oh my goodness, they're easy to die.
Get off my farm!
What in the hell's wrong with that
Oh
thing?
man, I was just thinking, I wish there were some flying zombies around here.
Why were you thinking that? They're trying to kill us.
I was being facetious.
Oh, I'll take care of them, Nick.
What happened to my legs?
Dude, we're doing so good on the power. Like it's even the gun, the homing gun is really good too. It's like kills him in one shot. Why is his sister bad at driving? Honestly, I'm not being mean. Actually, I probably am right now. But honestly, I wouldn't let her drive this much.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. You are never going to believe Rosalind bought a bus. Yes, you heard right, a bus. Why would anyone want it? What's wrong with that sister of yours?
I'm pretty sure you raised her that way.
I'm kind of having a cool thought. We could take a couple of zombies and then put them in a wrestling ring and make them fight to death and take bets.
That's inhumane, Nick.
Come on, it'd be funny.
There are zombie cows, so... Is there anything down there? Like if anything falls down? No, nothing falling down? Alright. Okay, let's go ahead and continue.
Cool. The best power.
19.
Rosalind, get out of the bus, quick!
Quit trying to kill Rosalind, you jerks.
Get off my farm!
Cell blaster.
Okay, so we're guarding her from all the rocks. Why is this a farm that...
Finally, Rosalind, get out of the bus, come on! Rosalind, where are you?
She's in the bus.
Sweet.
You can see her.
Rosalind? Wait, are you still on the bus?
Wait, why is she driving? She's gonna knock your head off.
That would be so sweet. We'd match.
What?
Rosalind, stop! Damn, that was close.
Chainsaw blaster.
Damn, that was close. Damn, that was close.
The bus? How did the bus get hit? I don't remember getting it damaged.
Later, after we kill all the zombies, let's come back to this farm and ride the cows.
You're gonna ride a cow.
Don't be racist against cows, Nick.
The fuck does that mean? The fuck was that mean? Is that part of the original fucking audio? And the sister kicked
Knock
us
us off the
off.
bus. What is she doing?
She's probably just being weird.
Cows love to eat flesh, their body forms draw near.
Who is that?
I don't know, but there's something fishy going on here. Check out that mushroom.
That mushroom does not look.
What? Where are we?
I'm dizzy, Juliet. Oh, man. It's like some weird giant egg.
That's disturbing. Okay, we are going to kill every little chicken. Oh, he's still alive. Pretty sure that is cheating of me to do that to the big old chicken in.
Rosalind, are you all right?
This trip ain't over yet, child.
Oh, can we drive this? Can we drive in a kill? Yeah.
They say you reap what you sow, and I want to sow zombie guts.
Go, Juliet, go! Awesome! I don't know what's going on, but this is a blast! Yeah! Run him down!
Just like the
You're kicking ass,
Zombieland
Juliet.
movie.
You ever had a space cake, Juliet?
A ding dong, yes.
What?
No, like a pot brownie.
Oh.
No way, I would never do drugs.
Me neither.
Gross.
Right, I have no idea what a space cake is like. It totally doesn't remind me of the way I feel right now at all.
Is it me or is it that Nick is like a downer? Like, I know I mentioned that in the last video, but I'm like, this is kind of ridiculous. Where's that one last zombie? He's hiding. Oh, here he is.
Oh, what the dick? Where are we now?
I don't know.
Oh,
Why, hello there.
Gotta look his heat.
there's no other way. We have to keep chugging going forward. Blaster.
Don't worry about the smell. I just shit myself. Don't worry about the...
Okay, oh, there's only one person?
Clean on the crops.
Chainsaw blaster. Wow! Cool!
Alrighty.
Want some grub?
My sister's acting so strange.
Which makes her normal considering it's your family.
Ow, dickheads.
Another store! Yay! Oh. I wish I had my GPS to find that bus. What's this then?
something up there and I want it.
My sense of direction is terrible. Totally. Haha. Yay! Ready? Okay. Undead, we slay. Yes. All right.
I screwed that up. I got another collection. That's good. Get all these medals. We gotta get all these medals. And we're good on that, so we don't have to worry about that. And let's go ahead and
All
get Nick
right,
on here.
us. Let's do this.
All right.
3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 9. Next column,
Sorry, that was my phone again.
Got that from his right now?
Yeah.
Bomber, you're so fast. My man Nick will F your ass.
Yes.
Zombie brain, stones us. Nick stands on a body and he's screaming and he's screaming.
You ready?
Yay! Rosalind, be careful! Bomber zombies are coming towards you!
That's some whacked out shit.
What's this then? Now it's mine.
Any more zombies? Come on.
Pretty cool.
It's good that they're dying pretty dang quickly.
Now it's mine. What's this then? What if you flew up in a helicopter over a horde of zombies and you saw they were standing in the shape of a smiley face emoticon? Oh my god, I would love that!
Awesome. Are you sure you haven't eaten a space cake?
God, you're hot! Nick Popper!
Hopefully I know what this is. That's a lot of fun.
Wait! Rosalind, quit moving!
Oh, you can shave
What's
Nick's
this
head
then?
for the money. I should try that later.
I'm fat as fucking hell, and you're gonna pay!
They're trying to drop a boulder on us.
So rude. Rosalind, wait! Why do you keep driving? It's irritating!
Better clear the road or this bus is screwed.
Why not just take her out of the car? Just pop the tires off the bus. First of all, who the hell allowed her to buy the bus?
Juliet, Cordelia, Zombie Hunter 101. The faster you finish a stage, the higher your stage clear bonus. Of course, you should also kill as many of those undead a-holes as you can.
I mean, that does tell me that do all that. And
It's another one of
zombie
those
horror.
mushrooms, Juliet.
I'm gonna cut it open! Rosalind? Rosalind?
So I'm assuming that Rosalind is being intoxicated by.
Ready? Go!
I'm assuming by the mushrooms.
Oh no, it's Colonel Sanders' worst nightmare. Oh no, it's Colonel Sanders' worst nightmare.
Honestly, his jokes could be worked on better.
What the dick? Jesus, hot blaster.
What are their heads doing up there?
Don't tell me that it's boss fight. I wonder if I can deflect those. Hold on.
What are their heads doing up there?
You know what, Nick? I could really go for some fried chicken right now.
I never want to eat chicken again as long as I live. That thing makes me want to vomit.
If you have a lighter, we could try to cook a little piece of it
Oh,
after
I
I kill
can't
it.
deflect
That's disgusting.
I'm hungry.
What are their heads doing up there?
Pretty cool. Chainsaw blaster.
Ow.
What are their heads doing up there? What are their heads doing up there?
Why does he keep repeating the same line?
What's this then? Whoops.
Again? Okay.
Back to this again, huh?
Uh-oh. Now there's bomber scarecrows.
Be careful, Juliet. I have a feeling this tractor's flammable as hell.
Now, I don't know what's the...
You are doing awesome, girl!
I don't know what's the time for this, because it would be awesome if this thing would have gone faster.
Go, go, go!
I'm trying to kill all of them.
Go, go, go! Go, go,
Probably be
go!
faster to kill in the opposite direction, since they're just walking towards you. But I'm going this way, and it's going to make it a bit difficult for me to kill them.
Look them up!
Actually, let's go ahead and do that. Let's
Killing
turn
people
this-
is fun when they're zombies!
Okay, that's a new line, honestly. We did that.
Run their asses down, Juliet.
Let's go ahead and turn this baby around and go the opposite direction, because they're just going to be walking towards you.
Killing people is fun when they're zombies!
Okay, I get it. You like killing zombies. That's good.
Killing people is fun when they're zombies!
Why does he keep repeating the same thing?
You are doing awesome, girl!
I'm pretty good at driving a tractor, huh?
Sure.
You're lying. I can tell. You crinkle your nose. Like that time you told me you didn't think Michelle Martin was hot.
Can we just kill zombies, please?
I mean, there's a line there that was unique. I didn't have to need to hear Nick keep saying that it's more fun to kill people that are zombies. Where the hell did all those other zombies came from? Either way, there's still more to kill, so...
God, this is the weirdest day ever.
I know. I don't know my ass from a hole in the ground, literally.
I mean, he's not wrong. But still, he is such a damn downer, dude. This is like the longest stage that I'm doing. Well, probably not the first longest, but I think you guys understand what I mean.
Oh, there she is.
What was with that water earlier on the
Hold
river?
on, Rosalind.
Damn it.
God, what's going
Girl.
on?
I feel kind of dizzy. Like that time Father O'Malley roofied me.
That's disturbing to know.
God, I love shopping.
That was a little bit disturbing to know that you knew that the father's something that roofied you.
Whoopee! How do you like my form, Nick?
I hate this!
I think I just stepped in cow poop.
I know. It's like a German porn video around here.
What does that mean?
Nothing.
You don't watch porn, do you, Nick? I'm glad I took that pole dancing class. I could do this much better in my clear lucite heels.
Zombies death, y'all. Come on, let's go. Faster, faster, faster. Let's go, 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 go. Yeah! Where was that random zombie? I thought I killed them all. But it was good we got the pole dance. Get all those fan service fans over there. I'm just joking. Don't really do something like that.
Where's that stupid bus?
Well, I don't know. Call your sister.
Hello? I know.
What's going on? Wait, there was something back over there. Can I go back? No. Damn it.
Chainsaw blast.
Trying to kill a lot more zombies so that we can get more medals. Even though we are already killing a lot of these zombies.
Eat it up.
I don't think we need to go to the store.
Juliet, it's Mom. I hate to be a dingbat, but I guess I forgot to buy milk and I have to make your cake. Would you mind picking some up on the way? Oh, wait. I really am a dingbat. It's sitting right here on the counter.
You said that earlier.
God, we need rain.
Let's see if I can.
Awesome!
Oh, I did not mean to.
I adore you.
I was hoping
so
to hit that
sexy,
money.
Nick. Nick Popper.
What was that? Okay.
I'm getting a great calf workout with all this jumping around.
Oh, come on. How was I
Are you
supposed
saying
to
my
know
head is
that
fat?
it was over there? Come on. I can jump over that.
Hello, items.
Great.
Your
No,
place
it's like
empty.
evil carrot dudes.
Someone's using some fucked up fertilizer. Awesome!
Oh, again?
I love
Okay.
it. I adore you. Nick Popper.
Boys, let's rock! Look out! Boys, look out! Let's rock! This clears my dinner! Look out, baby! Time to rock!
Ready? Go.
And you die.
How's the horses?
Chicken.
Oh, God. me when I'm hit. Oh, okay, I can jump. I can jump. And okay, I can do that. No, not what I wanted. Fat Grandpa coming in?
I don't care for strangers.
I don't have the time for you, old fart.
Did a lot of hopping around.
Bride! Oh.
Be your bride now? Thank you, you're not my
Oh,
type,
no.
sweetheart.
Where's Rosalind?
Joking.
Rosalind!
Where is that damn sister of yours? This
There it
one,
is, there
so
it
we
is.
already have it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, crud.
Hurry, Juliet, get in! Rosalind! I was worried about you. Are you okay? Yeah, I guess. This stupid bus broke down, but I fixed it.
Hey, Rosalind. Nice meeting you up close.
How did you fix the bus, Rosalind? Just last week, you had to take your car to the shop because you didn't know cars needed oil. How could you know how to...
Rosalind, where are we going?
She's possessed.
Rosalind? Hey. What the heck?
We're dorks. You're great.
I don't know if we're already in the boss fight or not. Are we? I think we're in the boss fight. Yes, we are.
Where the hell are you?
Hippie!
Oh, Sister Juliet and Brother Nick. Let's travel to the land beyond the doors of perception.
Straight hippie zombie. Yeah, it's a hippie.
Step outside the boundaries of your mind. Lose yourself in the eternal, collective unconscious.
Is it wrong for me to think that zombie's
Rot.
pretty?
Listen, lady. Why don't you try using some deodorant? Because honestly, you smell like shit.
This one was just as insolent.
Rosalind!
Now, open your heart and let my music guide you into the world of everlasting peace and rot and hell.
Never mind. I take back when I made my comment earlier. So what I do is
Go on, child.
Shoot her down!
Rush and chaos and the rage of the peaceful brave, fallen warrior,
oh crap. Okay. Dodge the boggles.
Pretty cool.
Come here, bitch.
Now it's mine.
Hurry. Okay.
One truth becomes two.
Aw, that ain't fair.
Two truths become
Okay.
There's like 4 of her. Is this for real? What the hell?
Chainsaw blaster.
Oh, this bitch is stinky.
No thank you.
Pretty cool.
Ow. I didn't know that she had that. I'm gonna get hit. Come on. You bitch. Oh.
Oh man.
Come on, get out.
Chainsaw blaster. What's this then? Now it's mine.
Come on, take it. Take my shots. You are dying. Okay, gotta go get her real quick.
Pretty cool.
Covers. Get back here. Now, does that mean she's respawns her same body again?
one truth become
And then she's gonna split
two
herself
truths
again.
become
Please don't split again. Oh, they are splitting again.
seek the truth before your eyes. The gates to the abyss shall open.
Can I go home now?
Pretty cool.
Oh my god.
I don't like the hand. No, thank you. Get your greedy hands off of me, please.
Now it's mine. What's this then? Pretty cool. Now it's mine.
Let's see here. Let's see. The big hand is not really going to affect us that much, I guess. there.
got?
Pretty cool. Now it's mine.
Get back here, you little scamp.
this then?
No, you little ugly zombie.
Pretty cool.
You die, girl. Mariska? Her name? Mariska?
Choke on your Birkenstocks, you psilocybin munching moron.
Heavy. Peace out. Way out. Me spite reggae from the fire coepto.
Whoa. We've been here the whole time.
Rosalind? She's not here.
Hey there, Juliet. Are you ready to boogie woogie?
Who is this?
The one you ain't gonna level up on.
Why are you pretending to be Stephen Hawking?
I got the freaky little super freak right here.
Get your hands off of me, you zombie pedo! Juliet, don't worry about me,
If you want your sister back, baby, you need to win a game with me. Make your way to the Poultry Fun Center. I can't wait to party with your crew like it's 1983.
It's a trap, Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't have any other choice, Nick. Who's gonna help us?
Hey, baby.
Daddy!
Mr. Starling?
Okay then.
Platinum medals, D. Sparkling
Wow.
hunts. D.
Yes!
Oh, we finally got a wait. Score. Okay, there's. Okay, okay, I didn't do enough. At least we got a C rank, at least. We got MP3s as a reward for clearing stage 3. All right, so it seems like we're getting really close. So we got two more zombie overlords, or whatever part vistas they are. So we're going to end the video right here, and if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and as always, and if you guys want to follow and hit the subscribe button so that you guys can follow for any upcoming new videos. And as always, guys, I will see you all on the next level. Later.